niya si Harry Roque.
Pumapatol naman si Harry.
Pumapatol naman si Harry. Gumagano si
Hindi naman
Harry.
siya offended.
Hindi naman siya. Nag-shine.
That's good. That's good.
Nag-shine na nga siya.
Sports
Ako
lang.
naman, for me, character development, arc of redemption na nakita ko. Kasi, let's be honest, Vice Ganda was quite DDS before. In a soft sense of the word.
Di ba ikaw din?
Hindi.
Ako ano?
Sir Ronald, ako naging DDS ngayon. Reverse yung arc ko ngayon.
Why do you think Vice Ganda was a DDS?
Hindi, DDS.
Before.
DDS
What
not
do you
in a
mean
sense
DDS?
na hardcore.
Yeah, what do you mean? What do you mean?
Dude, look at her, yung interview niya with Digong, yung mga posts niya about Digong. Very, I
Kung
would say.
simula kasi, ang tingin ng mga iba na nabudol, authentic eh.
Oh.
Kung magsalita
Nadala
siya,
doon sa
tunay na
charm.
tao.
Yun.
Ang problema, tunay din na mamamatay tao.
Yeah.
No?
Tunay
Hindi
din
lang
na,
tunay
no?
sa kanya. Na hindi pa siya nakita until nangyari yung tokhang.
Correct.
Pero nung simula, ang tingin niya, uy, tunay ito ah. Wala, hindi plastic ah. Ganun
na
etc. May certain attraction yon. Until nakita mo kung ano yung kaya niyang gawin. Doon mo nakita yung kanyang authentic na katauhan.
Noon.
Oh.
And I think that's the beauty of Vice Ganda's joke now, no? That's why I think
Galing
it
nga
hurts more sa mga DDS. Ako, I don't really consider Vice Ganda a DDS, no? Before, like in the
Okay, sorry.
situation.
Let me rephrase. Friendly. Sorry, I don't mean yung diehard na, no. Sorry,
Yes.
sorry about
Yes,
that.
diehard kasi.
Let me okay, sorry. My mistake. When I say DDS, sometimes I mean it in a general sense. Sometimes I mean it yung hardcore. DDS was never hardcore.
I think
Never.
Vice Ganda voted for Duterte.
Never.
I think Vice Ganda voted for Duterte. Although, wala siyang sinasabi about that, no?
I think so too.
But
Yeah,
the
I think so.
interview gives Vice Ganda more credibility. Yung pag-joke niya ngayon, in the context na binigyan niya ng interview si Duterte noon, and
Yeah.
actually, in my view, when I was tracking that before, it was Vice Ganda who first legitimized and popularized Duterte as well sa mainstream. Sikat na si Duterte sa Vismin.
Oh,
of
pero
course.
hindi national.
Pero
Yeah.
national, it was Vice Ganda who really humanized Duterte. So, bakit yan sinasabi? That's why
So,
Vice Ganda
enabler?
has more credibility.
Enabler?
No. More credibility in making that joke now because nanggaling siya sa sitwasyon na naniwala siya dun sa mga promises at pangako ni Duterte. Tapos, napako, nabasag. So now, she's disillusioned or not, pero she's translating it to something na humorous so that she can vent her own frustrations to someone she voted for and believed in. I think, hindi niya sinabi na binoto niya si Duterte. Yun lang ang feeling ko based on Vice Ganda granting that interview.
And therefore more effective yung it burns
Mas
more.
masakit.
It burns, yeah.
It stings.
It burns, yeah. Na alam mo pinag-usapan natin si Tulfo nawala ng 3 million followers nung nagalit ang mga tao sa ito 100,000 lang nawala sa kanya.
1 million daw, 1 million.
Hindi.
1 million.
From 20 million plus, naging 19,900,000.
Oh, you check?
I
talaga?
checked.
Oh,
So,
really?
19,900,000 will show 19 million.
Fake news na naman
Pero
ang mga
actually,
DDS.
100,000. So, wala pang 1% ang nabawasan. 0.5% lang. So, actually, mahina pala sila.
Sub-Saharan yung
They
pagbawas.
cannot cancel. They cannot
Sub-Saharan yung bawas.
na, konti lang nabawasan. So, actually, it make them look
Yes.
weak.
And fake
They
news,
can't-
fake news na naman ng mga DDS.
Fake news. Kasi pag nabawasan ng, pag bumaba ka ng 20 million, it shows 19 million.
Muntik
Pero,
na akong
pero it's
maniwala.
19 million,
Kasi.
930,000,
Yun
whatever.
pala.
Yeah, wala pang 100,000.
100,000 is
lang pala. Wala.
0.05%.
Exactly, of 20
Sobrang
million.
baba.
Wala.
Hindi ako
nang-
makarelate dahil 13 lang yung nakikita.
Sir, yung sa'yo,
Sorry,
silent majority. Silent majority.
Pero nandun sa concert sumayaw. Si Senator Bam
Oh, si Bam! Sabi ng mami ko, sumusuntok masyado sa ere. Mahilig. Ganun ba daw yung sayaw niya? Masuntukin? Gusto rin niya ba na tore?
Andun din si BBM, tsaka si President Duterte.
O,
Nakita niyo ba?
tayo na lang yata hindi na-imbita.
Hindi.
Wala lang tayong dalawa. Lahat na nandyan na.
Hindi, kahit pa paano naman, hindi natin kailangan magpaliwanag ba't natin binoto si Chi sa Senate President.
Ayun, yun lang.
Ayun.
Oh. Ayan na. Okay, let's end on that very toxic point. Jess, let me start with you before Sir Ronald brings down the house and burns down the house. And then I'll go to Mark to soften the... No, I'll start with you, Mark. Let's soften the edge. Mark!
Para kang ponente, para kasi Kwan. Marvick yan eh. To soften.
Nagdamay ka ba
Soften
Brian?
yung binapanatan
To
niya ng
soften
mga
the
Duterte
edge.
appointees. Si Kwan ang ginamit ng ponente. Parang yun ang role.
So, Your Honor, Mark, what is your take with Senator Trillanes going a little bit spicy on the whole Lenny and all? But wait, can anyone clarify to me? What has Lenny said on the impeachment issue and the ICC issue so far?
Nada.
No, it's an innocent question.
Wala.
I think sa ICC may mga nasabi si Lenny.
I'm not talking about elections, I'm talking about arrest ni Digong. ICC arrest of Digong. Because eto, Vice Ganda already made fun of the situation in a very dangerous way, but I would say righteous way. What has Lenny said on the arrest of Digong?
Pansin ko si Lenny nagsasalita about Duterte kapag katabi niya si Leila.
Leila de Lima.
Pag nasa Naga si Leila, tapos magkasama sila.
Nung March.
Doon siya medyo nagsasalita about Donna. Medyo pahaging lang din, hindi din directly ano. Pero
Although nasabi niya something about like upholding the rule of law.
The election time given na yan. Pero ito na, nagkaroon
Yan yung
ng
interview
arrest.
niya kay Boy Abunda. During
Oo,
the
election
No,
presidential.
na
that's
yan.
election. No, I mean, I'm talking about March 2025.
Meron?
Rally for Mayor of Naga. Leila de Lima was
Ayun nga yung sinasabi. Na yun na yung sinasabi ni Mark.
Kasi
Yung sinasabi ni Mark.
pagkatabi niya si
Kinulit niya
Leila.
Kinulit niya kay Senator de Lima, kay Congressman de Lima na parang yung pinagdaanan ni de Lima, etc. ICC, justice. I forget the exact words.
Okay. No,
Yes.
that was an innocent question. I know Ronald is here, but that was an innocent question.
I doubt it.
So
But-
she did
She did.
something.
Okay, so good. Pero impeachment. Sarah impeachment. Has Lenny said anything about that?
Parang wala.
Sir Ron, you're the innocent mind. You were born yesterday. Did yesterday here?
Wala akong narinig.
Wala.
so far.
No, so okay, so that's where the
At ikaw, may narinig ka pa. Kasi you track politics. Sir Ronald tracks it. Ako.
I'm
Ito.
tracking DDS kasi they're tracking me.
I thought they were tracking you.
we're counter-tracking each other. Nagagano kami.
Tinatrack niya Sub-Saharan Africa.
Ayan naman. Can we move on? Kasi si Vice na maging person na
Pero kasi
nag-
the thing is ngayon,
Hindi na ako.
the thing is ngayon, she's a local official.
Oh my God.
She's a mayor na. Baka may excuse siya. Na ayoko nang makiano muna sa national.
Yes.
Baka maapektuhan yung pag-ano ko sa local.
And to be fair,
As
just
if
like-
naman DDS sa mga taga-naga, hindi naman DDS sa mga taga-naga.
No, and to be fair, I know there's a difference between Mayor Vico and Mayor Lenny, but there's also similarities because they're LGU leaders now, like si Mayor Joy as well.
Actually, you have a point on the
Vico
Vico
na-
one. Because Vico hasn't said anything on these
Yes,
issues.
Vico is
In
a
fairness.
progressive, considered
Fairness,
progressive.
that's good
Joy
point.
Belmonte is a progressive, considered progressive. We're not really, naman din, pressuring them to say something on,
Fairness,
on national
yeah.
issues.
Maybe we're being unfair to Lenny.
But the difference with Lenny is she did come from a national
VP,
context.
and VP, and presidential
And
candidate.
opposition bearer. Opposition standard
And many
bearer.
still see her as the opposition leader.
Yes. So-
but at least you're right. There's an argument to make na why are we not putting the same standard on... Pero Vico kinda got cancelled also, di ba? Marami rin nagagalit sa kanya for not...
We're not speaking up sa national.
Exactly. But, Vico is not positioning for national last time I checked, and she's not coming from a national position,
But
right?
Mayor Lenny might not be positioning for a national.
Maybe not.
Unless someone tells me that she
Now,
she
let's
has
talk about-
plans.
okay.
Sa akin kasi,
Your time to
non-sequitur yung delineation na yun. You're still a Filipino.
Ayun.
So you have to speak about the West Philippine
over.
Sea. You have to speak about the crimes against
You
humanity.
just murdered you are a knockout.
So,
Bayang
ganun lang naman Pilipino ka pa Kung hindi ka na Pilipino, okay lang siguro. No?
Kaya nga, si Vice Ganda, di naman local government,
So,
di naman
sinasabi
national
mo ba, Sir
government.
Ronald?
Pero ito, tanungin ko na din.
Oh, ito na. Soften the edge. Soften the edge.
Pero yung of course, ako I spent 1 year with Senator Trillanes. Umaga sa panahon.
Oo, love na love yan.
Walang talagang
No question.
no question.
Correct.
Saludo.
Pero yung sa mga interviews niya talking about Lenny, ganun. Ba't napupunta doon yung usapan kaya? Bakit parang hindi ba nakakasama siya doon sa movement as a whole?
Could be, pero Trillanes kasi siya. Halimbawa, lumabas lang yan sa isang post ni Christian Esguerra.
Isang
sa isang
interview.
interview. Tapos pinick up ng ABS-CBN. Tapos pinick up ng TV5. Tapos pinick up na ng lahat.
Then,
So,
hindi
tingin ko,
pa siya sa TV5.
hindi naman niya plano maging kanya campaign. Kaya siya inimbita sa TV5 dahil doon sa post
Ah,
na yun.
yeah,
Oo.
exactly.
So it was, Ikalawa,
So, kasalanan ni-
pag nadiin mo si Trillanes, aminin niya. Sabi niya, hindi, pinag-usapan namin tatlo yan.
Oo.
No, personal yan. No? Ganyan. No? Pero kahit na pag-usapan nila na matagal na, ngayon lang lumabas. Dahil nga, na-post No? Na-post siya sa isang podcast na kumalat na. So, hindi ko sinasabi na totally kasalanan niya yon. Ang sinasabi ko lang ay dahil siya si Trillanes, kung anong sabihin niya, kahit sa isang sulok, kakalat.
Newsworthy.
Oo, kakalat. Halimbawa, kung mag-usap kami ni Richard, hindi kakalat yun. Dahil wala naman nagpapahalaga sa mga sinasabi namin dahil advocate kami. No? So,
I cannot say that kasi blind item tayo all the time.
so yung 13 nakikinig sa amin, baka maging 17. No? Yung gano'n. No?
Hindi, ito naman, magiging devil's advocate lang din ako. Meron namang nagsasabi.
Hindi bagay sa iyo, Devil. Mas bagay sa amin.
Ikaw yung angel's soften the
The
edge.
angel's advocate lang ako.
Angel's
Hindi, meron namang ibang nagsasabi na baka hindi kaya kasama yan sa strategy ni Senator Bam na intentionally umiwas sa mga issues about sa Duterte, about sa in line kung ano man yung plano niya for 2028 or beyond or kung ano man.
Yeah, but it will be one-on-one. The DDS will vote for Sara or they will not vote for him anymore.
Hindi, pero yung moderates Siyempre yung moderates kailangan mo pag-agawan and yung mga
Ano ba ang
anti-Marcos,
moderate sa'yo?
Siguro ito yung narinig ko din. What if yung iniisip ni Senator Bam siguro yung anti-Duterte, yung youth makukuha na nung
Regardless. So you're only there to get yung mga nasa
yung
gitna.
mga nasa gitna, yung mga anti-Marcos, baka may maagaw ka pa.
Baka mali yung kanyang calculation. Dahil nung binoto niya si Cheese, at saka nung tahimik siya, gulping-gulpi siya sa social media, primarily sa kabataan. Primarily dun sa bumoto sa kanya. Kaya baka magkamali siya ng calculation. No? Dun sa yung binabanggit mo na, akin na ito
You can still lose
Akin na
them.
ito So kukunin ko yung hindi pa akin. Di ba? Okay
But-
naman yun dahil ang ini-advocacy nila sa politika, kailangan maging pragmatic ka. Pero okay naman yun. Pero pragmatism has its own limits. Merong mga bottom lines.
Pwede
Ay isa
mag-backfire yan.
dyan ay yung mga criminal against humanity. Hindi pwede kang tumawid doon. Kung hindi, magiging halimaw ka na rin. No? So, kinukuhan ko tayo naman, we are as pragmatic as the other guy. Pero meron tayong limits. No? Perhaps iba yung limits nila, pero dahil ganun yung kanilang limits, babanatan natin sila. Huwag silang ma-offend. Diba? Parang Sub-Saharan Africa yan.
Ayan na naman tayo. Nagpapasalamat ka kay Vice Ganda for taking the heat away from me for a while. Although my legal team is gonna respond soon to the other DDS harassment in the coming days.
Tsaka may ordinance na ba or resolution sa'yo? Wala
Hindi, ano lang.
Ang vice ganda magkakaroon.
Panobo lang. Wala sa Davao.
Pero magandang medalya kasi yan pag nakulong siya.
Sino?
Si Richard.
Sir Ronald, hanapin kita ng paraan para sumama.
Yan yun. Ako, madalas ako makulong.
Si Vitali yung sama.
May doctorate na ako dyan.
Okay,
Kulong ka na ba, sir?
Oo. Sa cabinet ka, sabi ni Pinoy, wala namang makukulong dito. Ako lang. Taas ako ng kamay. Boss, sasamahan kita. Tawa yan sa cabinet meeting.
Bago dumating si Mami at pagalitan si Sir Ronald for that very tasteless joke. Eto, huling-huli na ito, no? No, basically this goes down to what's gonna be the alignment for 2028. Because one thing I'm hearing from certain very important quarters is they see Risa as more unifying than Lenny if ever it goes down to DDS versus the rest. Because the idea is that because of the Marcos-Lenny, Marcos-Aquino dynamic and the idea that medyo solid yung pink base ni Lenny, baka maging kampante na sila with that. But that might not be enough to beat Sara. Because Sara could got up to 25 or 30 million votes if they go max. Lenny's score is what, 10 to 15? That might not be enough. So some are suggesting, maybe you need someone who can unify not only the pink vote, but also get not only moderate, but also the loyalista vote, and also the resources. So, some would say, and this is from interesting quarters, I cannot name names, is they see Riza as the more unifying one, potentially. Is that crazy, Sir Ronald, considering how low Riza's numbers are in the
Kaya
prison
marami
rate?
pa kasi mangyayari in 3 years. No?
Yeah.
Halimbawa, kung makadevelop siya ng brand
Right.
na very compelling, Miriam was able to develop a brand in less than a year.
Yeah.
Ito, 3 years pa.
Yeah.
No?
And she
Ikalawa,
basically won,
depende
some would say, yeah.
kung
1992 elections.
depende kung ano yung configuration. Halimbawa, ito yung presidente, ito yung vice president, baka mas magandang combination yan. So combination din yung labanan. Ikatlo ay ang mas mahalaga yung broad anti-Duterte front na makakaroon niya ng
Yeah.
parang primaries.
Yeah.
Sino ba yung
Popular
best na
front.
makakatalo kay Sara? So dadaan ka sa ganung klaseng proseso. For now kasi, pinasa ni Lenny yung baton ng leadership ng Pink kay Risa. Hindi pa naman niya binabawi.
Okay.
Diba?
Ostensibly.
So,
ostensibly, I would say.
So, for now, kaya nag-i-scale up si Risa sa ganung role. Dahil binigay sa kanya ni Lenny yung leadership. Tapos siya yung nag-campaign manager for Bam and Kiko nito nakaraang eleksyon. No? So, kahit hindi siya kandidato, meron siya naging role. Pinupunuan niya yung role na yon. Unless, sasabihin ng mga nagbigay sa kanya ng role na yan, oy, wag ka na dyan, hindi ka nakasama. No? Pero nga, ang sinasabi natin, merong proseso pa yan na dadaanan. No? Dahil marami pang mga forces ang sasama sa anti-Duterte front. Of course, may say din sila kung sino yung gusto nila. No? Yun yung sinasabi kong proseso.
Let's close this on a nice note. Jesus, we discussed this, and then of course, Mark, to really make it nice. To close this quadcom, what do you want to see within the pink movement? Let's just call it people who are neither kadiliman nor kasama. Yun na yan. It's as wide as that, right? Pink doesn't mean pro-Lenny or pro-Risa.
Yes.
What should sa tingin mo, what's the healthy way forward? Kasi inevitable naman magkakaroon ng debate and tactical debates. As we speak, there are people who are making contrarian tactical points on our social media platforms right now.
At this point, I think it's either Risa or Lenny only.
Yun
For
na talaga. It's
2020.
down to that. You don't see Bam as...
I don't see Bam as kasi when he was outspoken na on the impeachment, lumabas na ulit yung DDS propaganda. When nag-education siya and quote-unquote credit grabbing sa mata ng mga DDS na siya yung i-credit sa free education law. Black propaganda siya ulit versus Bongo. So, the Aquino name, I think, still has a lot of baggages. With all due respect sa side nila, no?
And this is going to be a presidential race, not Senate.
presidential
Just
race.
one lang pwede may vote, hindi 12. Yeah.
And Bam is not in the position for 2020 because one, for Lenny, madami pang may hang-ups na
Thought
put
ka.
na she should have won in 2022.
thought ka.
So, thought ka nila for 2028. Ang question naman kay Risa is because of her stellar performance with Alice Go, with Kiboloy, and Pogo, and all of these things, they are making her presidential timber.
And as I said, can work with admin.
And can work with admin.
Yeah.
No, and again, I've already told you this in our own discussions, no? I think for now, the onus is really on Mayor Lenny. Because if she continues to run for mayor in Naga, then by default, medyo by default because she passed the opposition baton to Risa, Risa will step up. And she's ready. Now, Risa is not selfish. Ako hindi ko siya friend, hindi ko siya close. Pero feeling ko lang if Mayor Lenny says, I'll run for 2028 as president,
She'll go VP at least.
Senator Risa will give way. And I'm not sure if VP baka iba pang plano. Basta ang unang tanong ngayon, sinong ulo? So, kailangan mag-usap talaga si Senator Risa at Mayor Lenny. The people around them should avoid trying to divide them. Kasi I think si Mayor Lenny, in fairness minsan...
And we're not trying to do, just to be clear, we're having a healthy debate. People have to appreciate.
Nagpaliwanag
we need to do
tuloy sa
that.
presinto.
Oo. Kasi baka maano na naman tayo.
Pansin mo?
May disclaimer kagad
both are qualified.
Don't you understand? You're here to do it for me. Yeah, please go ahead.
Both are super qualified.
Ron,
It's just a question of who's going to be the
Bawi ako
standard
mamaya sa
bearer.
safe house na yun.
Diba? Because Lenny's coming from the context na totga siya. For now, siya ang default. For now,
Ang problema lang kasi dahil sabi niya, tatakbo ko sa Naga dahil huling habilin sa akin ng aking asawa, yung mga asawa ay kalimutan ko na lahat, wag lang ang Naga.
she wants to focus.
Tapos ngayon,
So one
sa
term is not
2028, that's less than 3 years. Less than a term. Tapos aalis siya para sa national uli.
Yun nga.
Baka siya
Tas di
mismo
pa
hindi na
manalo
type
if
yun
ever, God forbid,
Na ganun,
yeah.
no?
Baka nag-Isko Moreno.
Baka maging Isko Moreno siya.
Oo.
Hindi pa tapos yung one term, nag-national na, di ba? So, lalo na, binelabor mo yung point na mahalaga ang Naga. Tapos bigla kang aalis bago matapos yung one term mo. So, baka yun ang kanya magiging
Before Mark, I
hesitancy.
have a quick question to you, Sir Ronald, no? Napansin mo ba si Mayor Lenny doon sa kanyang recent na mga speeches? Meron siyang tinatawag na 2028 finish lines. So ano namang, what do you
Baka na we're reading
of
too
that?
much into it.
Kasi clear parang sabi niya, by 2028,
Baka we're being
dapat
malicious.
tapos ko na to, I've delivered this. And ang tawag niya
To
talaga,
run for re-election.
sa
So
platform
that
niya
she's
is
worthy for re-election.
2028 finish line. May iba kasi akong friends naman na nasa pink na ang interpretation,
Yun na yun. Project
Ayoko
2028.
Finish line.
second guess. No? Pero yung mga salita niya about Naga, bas yun ang pinagbabatayan ko. Ito
Correct.
kasi medyo cryptic Nung sinasabi niya, kailangan kong ayusin na Naga, ito yung habilin ng aking yumaong asawa, si Jessie Robredo. At batay sa ganong klaseng statement,
Hindi sapat ang
baka
one term.
mag-hesitate siya na hindi pa tapos yung kanyang first term, tumakbo na kagad
Yeah.
siya. Dahil yung campaign will start bago matapos yung kanyang first term.
and if she makes Risa win in 2028, assuming, God
Oo naman.
God.
If she,
If she makes
mobilize,
visa in 2028,
and then the loyalists
She
also.
can run
Yeah.
2034. Di
Yeah.
ba may plano ang DDS?
Bata pa siya.
Sara Duterte 2028,
Yeah.
2034, Paulo Duterte 2040, ito. Tayo may pipeline din tayo eh.
Baka yun
Kung
din.
si Lisa 2028, 2034 Lenny.
That was Vico.
Kaya ko lang naman sinasabi na
Paglalabas na Lisco ulit.
Kaya ko lang naman sinasabi na feasible dahil si FBR practically started the campaign in less than a year before the
Yeah.
election. Ganon din si Miriam, di ba? Ganon din si Pinoy, no? Less than a year before election. Ibig sabihin, that's possible.
Possible.
If you have a very compelling narrative.
But si Duterte
Oo.
started 3 years before.
Yeah, although ang packaging niya, nagsimula siya just a year before. No?
And federalism tour ko no.
Oo.
O hindi pala.
Oo.
Kaya, these things are very possible. Depende sa team na bubuin mo, depende sa narrative na gagawin mo. No? Dahil ang maganda kasi, nabanggit nga ni attorney, kay Risa, meron siyang narrative na sinimulan eh. Sino ba nagpakulong kay Alice Goo? Sino ba nag-highlight ng Pogo na totally banned ni PBBM? Sino ba nagpakulong dun sa one of the most powerful son of God? No?
Oo.
Tapos, sino yung kumanto kay Digong ng harapan sa Senate hearing, etc., etc. So, ang kulang lang dahil masyado siyang nice, masyado siyang mabait, hindi niya binibelabor yung ganong klaseng epal. Yung iba nga, wala nagagawa, puro epal na eh. No? Kaya yun lang naman
Heckler
yung
nga, heckler.
kaibahan. Baka at a later point, ma-realize niya na kinakailangan din ng epal in a different way. In a more positive
By
way.
the way, just before you end, no?
Dahil mo ending, kanila ka pa rin
Rodrigo Duterte II officially said Davao City will not be distracted by cheap insults and distasteful jokes.
Ayun.
Wow, coming from Digong, no? Napaka...
That's the second.
Oh.
Digong the second.
Siya yung vice mayor ngayon. Parang
Na yung kailangan pa na may note na kailangan ka mag-hammer, kailangan ka hindi mag-hammer.
That's Omar?
No, Omar is the other one.
Yung
This is
councilor na naging vice mayor.
Oh.
Kasi,
Oh.
Yung anak ni Pulong.
Hala.
Kulong.
Okay na.
Ako,
Last,
late
close
na.
it,
I'm
close it
late.
na. Yeah, let's go.
For 2028, ako,
Close na
from an
natin.
outsider, someone who doesn't identify as sa paid,
Totoo.
tingin ko dalawa. It's either Risa or Bam. Ako, yun ang tingin ko lang isa doon sa dalawa. I think si VP Lenny, si Mayor Lenny, baka kumpletuhin niya 2034, baka doon siya mag-try uli after niya mapaganda or money. Yun yung tingin ko. Si Senator Bam, I think, tumatakbo na yung kung ano man yung
Yeah.
bills na tumatakbo for titignan kung pwede siya mag-VP, pwede siya mag-presidente. Si Senator Risa, ako, in as much as I would really want to have a President Risa Ontiveros. Gusto ko talaga yon. As in, I believe magiging mas maganda yung Pilipinas kung meron tayong President Risa. I still need to see kung how she could be Sara Duterte.
Magkamontra sa akin.
Yung kanyang ability.
I'm kidding.
Yun pa rin.
Yeah.
Yun naman ang
No, your
question
point.
eh.
That's a good
Kasi
challenge.
At the end of the day, kung sino yung
You have to level up.
pinaka-winnable, yun na. That's, di ba, ang ano nga, anyone but Sara, parang may ganong
Yeah.
lumalabas na ano. So, I think,
Whoa!
I think she needs to step out.
Ako, I'm neutral,
I
even
think she needs
Sarah.
to- Hindi, ako, I really want Senator Risa to
Level up, yeah.
level up, tumaas sa ano. Baka she needs to step out doon sa fake na movement and start
Build
her
something.
own
Oh,
base,
popular
start her
front.
own, na parallel din naman. Doon sa pareho din naman nung kaya may mga West Philippine Sea, may mga ano.
And with Akbayan, number 1.
For example, nagawa niya eh. We were
Guys,
talking-
kailangan na umalis si Sir Ronald. Thank you so much.
Sige.
I'm so sorry for that.
Sorry.
Thank you so much, guys. Maraming
May
salamat for
4
joining this
o'clock
latest
show.
episode. Catch us soon. More
Yeah.
of Quadcom. Talk to you. Booyakasha.